Today we had a lot of first timers in the live trading room. And by first timers, I don't mean first time trading, but first time being involved with tier one trading. And if you're unfamiliar with our style of trading, it's a lot different than a lot of things you hear on the internet. We approach our trading like a business. We say treat it like a business, rules-based trading, a very disciplined and professional style. And that brought up a lot of questions with these newer traders as we went through trader assessments, broke down what they're currently doing in the market, and started repairing and talking about what they need to do if they want to be consistently profitable. The following conversation comes from one of those live room sessions where a trader asked, do we need rules, or can a trader develop kind of like what Bruce Lee's saying, flow like water? Check it out. Honest question? I would hope it's honest. Why would you give me an unhonest question? That would be bad. Yeah. Why would you give me an unhonest question? Can a trader be like water? Bruce Lee. And without strategy, trade based on what he sees? No. Well, yes. You can be a trader. You technically can be a trader and be like water. I would say this. I can also trade with my eyes closed, just randomly picking buttons, and technically still be a trader. Now, will I be a profitable trader? No. So, can I be a trader? Be like water. I watched a 30 for 30 on Bruce Lee, man. Amazing and sad. Tragic. I'm a big Bruce Lee fan. Without a strategy, just trade based on what he sees. And my answer is yes, you could be a trader. Would you be a consistently profitable trader? No. Probably the most common scenario is you'll blow a lot of money really, really fast. Chapter 3 in my book, How to Blow a Lot of Money Really, Really Fast. 2, you'll be a boomer buster. You'll have periods where you do good, and then you'll give it all back. And you'll have periods where you do good, and you'll give it all back. All because you're not being consistent. So think about it like your favorite casino game. Think about it like a blackjack or playing craps. Again, craps is my game of choice. Blackjack is probably more familiar, right? There are rules. I like craps because it gives you the best odds in comparison to other games. But there are rules for blackjack, where if the dealer is showing certain things, then probabilities are that they have other cards and you should take a hit or you should stay, right? So if you're consistently following those rules, if you have a plan at the blackjack table that says every time the dealer is showing a face card, I take a hit. If I'm under this, right? Then at least you're following a consistent plan. And now your plan doesn't have an edge in the casino, obviously, but you're putting yourself in the highest position to profit. If you're at the blackjack table and you're just like, no matter what you have, you're just randomly like, oh, hit, stay, hit, stay, hit, stay. You're still going to capture some wins, right? You're still going to win. Everyone gets lucky, right? The markets can only do one of two things. They can go up or go down, right? But there's going to be no consistency. You're going to win, lose, win, lose. So same thing in trading. So you can be like water in trading. You certainly can. And I am a big fan of growing and developing and evolving as a trader, right? If you look at my trading style right now, it seems, if you are new, and a lot of you guys are new, but as an outsider looking in, if you were just to hop in the live trading room with me, right, it seems like I can do whatever I want, does it not? I can take counter trend trades. I can take trend continuation trades. I can take patterns, advanced patterns. I can take simple patterns. I can trade breakouts, right? I can do a lot of things. So it seems like I'm operating off this intuition where it's like, hey, I've seen this before. When I see this, I can do this. But if you look closely, if you really dig into the details, into the conversation that we're having here, right, there's probably even more things I can't do. Why is that? Because although I have the flexibility within my trading plan to trade many different things and to give myself many opportunities to take advantage of what I consider to be grade A trading opportunities, they're still all rules based, right? So we take a look at this trade right here, right? Let's say we take a look at a retested structure and I'm like, hey guys, we are retesting previous structure support. There's a risk reward of 80 million to 1. This is the best trading opportunity I've ever seen. and I'm getting all excited about it. I'm pumping you guys up. And then you're like, okay, let's do it, Akil. Are you in? And I'm like, well, no, I can't. Well, why can't you get in? Well, I need a higher high, higher close before I can enter. And we haven't gotten that yet. Yeah, but it's the best trading opportunity ever. Yeah, I agree. It is. I would love to be involved. But I can't because it doesn't meet my rules. So I think ultimately the goal as a trader, and we talk about this like with the mercenary type of trading style, is you develop a lot of flexibility, but it's rules-based flexibility. Rules-based flexibility. Because the rules are your safety net, right? The rules are your bungee cord. The rules are, more importantly, I guess the rules are, I don't know if you guys have ever skydived. Skydived? I don't know. If you guys ever jumped out of a plane, right? Attached to another man or woman awkwardly. There are 2 parachutes. Now, you hope that second parachute is never needed. But it's there. And why is it there? It's there in case something goes wrong, so you don't go splat. There's a reason you have to jump with a partner unless you're trained and certified. Because you may know everything you're supposed to do, but it's your safety net just in case you don't. So rules are what keep you consistent. You can be like water. You can adapt and ebb and flow. But just like our situation earlier, if you don't have rules guiding you, telling you what to do, what you cannot do, when you can do it, when you can't do it, how are you ever going to be consistent? Are you ever going to be consistent? No. Especially understanding the fact that most of us are really, really bad with handling emotions. Now, again, I guess as you get older for a trader, you get kind of soulless because the market takes all your souls from you. You just become dark and burnt inside from years of torment and trading. So you get better with execution. But in most cases, we're very emotional. And just like our conversation earlier, you're going to start going off of fear or a feel. And feel is basically going to end up being emotional. And emotional is FOMO and greed and fear. And all that stuff is going to destroy you. And the most important thing you can understand about trading is a game of 2 things. It's a game of probabilities and risk management. It is understanding our probabilities. It is consistently putting ourselves in a position where the probabilities are in our favor. And it's doing so with good risk management tactics. Now, this doesn't mean you have to win more than you lose. You can lose more than you win and still be profitable. It's a combination of the both. But that's what trading is. And it's like a casino. A casino doesn't know when players are going to have big games or not. What the casino does know is that it has an edge in everything it does. Every game it has, the casino has the edge. You play the slot machine, the casino has the edge. It's more likely to win. You play blackjack, the casino is more likely to win. You play craps, the casino is more likely to win. Roulette, right? Any game in there, the casino is more likely to win. So it doesn't try to pinpoint when it's going to win and when it's not going to win. It tries to consistently get people in the casino because it knows that if people are consistently playing, the odds are those people are going to consistently lose. And even if it gives up to a big winner every once in a while, over time, it's going to make up for that. As traders, we are the casino. Our strategy is the game. We don't know when it's going to win. We don't know when it's going to lose. But we do know the probabilities. And we do know that if we can stay out of our own way, we give ourselves a very good chance at consistently exploiting that edge we have. And that's how we make money over time. So yes, you can be like water. As long as that water is confined within some type of tub of rules. Make sense? So if you haven't been involved with Tier 1, I recommend getting involved, hopping in the live room, hopping on the platform, because I think our way of looking at trading is going to be a lot different than what you've seen out there on the internet. And when we do trader assessments like we did in the live room today, it could sometimes be a little cringeworthy, right? You're putting yourself out there and allowing yourself to be analyzed, which for some people, their ego and their pride get in the way. But if the number one goal is to become a consistently profitable trader, you need to have someone that has done what you're looking to do, evaluate you, and give you tips on how to take it to the next level. And that's exactly what I'm doing. That's exactly what our community is doing. And I promise that we only have good intentions. So head over to www.tier1trading.com, hop on the platform, jump in the community chat, network with a fantastic group of traders, hop in the live room, have your trading assessed, and get started on the path to becoming a consistently profitable trader.